Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. If you now look the studio, now go see say Nkubi need balance and support. Because I don't they give up the way when the team they be.
Because we go break.
Allow me welcome people back first.
Because we go break.
Allow me, will you courtesy demands that you allow me welcome back our esteemed viewers. Okay. Our people now welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. And this now the Ogbonge politics discussion show. You can now have your floor.
So you won't take me the catch fund?
Which catch fund?
We needed to go for that break for your sake, please.
You needed the break as emergency.
Me, emergency.
Because I see say your
emergency
chest, your chest they go up, the thing they come down. Because I they give them to you hot. I'm speaking for Nigerians. I'm standing on the path of truth, equity, fairness, and justice. And I'll continue to say it.
Now me know they speak for Nigeria.
Nkubi, why you be say now? It can't be like say this our people in the government. Now another talk now with the year. Now another talk now with the year. We are supposed to bring I go speak English soccer to Nigerians.
Explain soccer, please.
Which one? Why you go tell me I explain soccer?
It is
make people mind calm down. Make them happy, comfort, luxury. When you go there proud, say yes, I am living in Nigeria. When Nigeria go be like other countries of obodo the world where we say many of us want the wrong go to. Many of these our political office orders, they go holiday, go do. What are you telling me?
But Chukwudi, make we
Oga Bobby they call us from Amsterdam at the verse.
Why go take talk from my mouth now?
Amsterdam na Ojuelegba where they live. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Bobby, good morning.
Don't say take word from your mouth.
Okay.
You need to be say the thing, really you got to be, you know.
We understand.
This one, say they won't cost salary of
18,000
minimum wage.
To tell you, say these people they are not the interest of Nigeria, rather they are their own interest. Why they themselves not say they won't cut their own salary?
Thank you very much, sir.
You understand me? If they talk that one, it go make Nigeria believe say yes, these people they are there to
serious, yes.
to do things for us. The thing is now civil servants, common salary of 18,000 naira when not reach to pay hard strength for Nigeria. Then before you come say you say for instance now you get 4 children. Before you come buy school fees, pay school fees, clothes and shoes.
Everything. How much go remain?
How much want they again?
Thank you.
So Chukwudi, are they your side?
Thank you, sir.
When you say not be matter of words, not
exactly.
matter of actions. You understand me now? So are they your side? I support you.
Thank you.
Very well.
Thank you.
I support you. Say yes. It's not by words, by action. They say actions speak louder than words. So I dare your side. Support.
Thank you very much.
Oga
Bobby, thank you very much for this
very much
big support where we say you don't give me and supporting the Nigerian people.
For supporting us on this issue me and Chukwudi they talk about.
Which was in support?
He was
you
supporting us.
You come here when they make an excuse. Nkubi see here.
I was not making. See Chukwudi, no be say I no agree with you now. Listen, okay, but before we go do it, we go react to this. Make we collect Oga Ego. Oga Ego they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Ego.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you. Good morning.
Oga Ego.
From you again.
Thank you very much, Oga Ego.
Oga Nkubi, I don't greet you this morning.
Good morning. I greet you too. Whether I greet me, good morning.
I go greet you a parable. They say, when you be say they blame the pot, say the pot cook am. Say the pot cook am, say don't die. But the pot, the father not remember, you not blame the knife when he kill am. You dey get me? Now this country will go there. Somebody go come say you want slash 18,000 naira for everybody they buy the tax card for House of Assembly. Waiting never reach for a month. You can't slash am. So you want slash her down. You see I'm saying good. May I remember say this country we still get our PVC. This is just 6 to 7 months. When you be say why we say under Goodluck Jonathan regime, they don't come at court to say they don't reach be say they depend on federal government. Say they not get tax revenue where they give them money for their pay. They don't talk down under Goodluck Jonathan. Now, like our government now, they say they talk on that thing now. See, we still get our PVC. Nigeria also will get our PVC. If they not keep to their promises, next election will come. Now we go see press, we go see vote they come out. Thank you very much.
Oga Igbo, thank you very much for this your
much.
important contribution. From wetin Oga Igbo and Oga Bobby don talk, e dey very, very clear say Nigerians no go dey happy with the situation. But Nkubi, may we break this matter down. Now, the Oga of the Nigerian Governors Forum, we dey put everything, we dey put all our governors together. We know they separate. We dey put government as one. We know they talk say APC government or PDP government because government they exist in continuum. Government they continue. Whether na this party or that party, government na government. So we dey put them as government. Now the Oga of the Nigerian Governors Forum come and talk say, say make people no blame our governors them. Say then they try. Say make we look the present situation of things. Say the time when we say our National Assembly come out with the law, say make minimum wage be 18,000. Say per barrel oil na $118. Say now the thing don't become $41.
Yeah.
But Nkubi, make we ask ourselves.
But
Make I ask this question. Make I ask this question. You dey pay person $18,000 and
18,000 naira.
18,000 naira, and the price of crude per barrel na $118.
As then.
You think say na just $118 per barrel make we sit down we dey pay them 18,000 we go pay them that 18,000 forever. So e mean say the people wey even conceive the whole idea, people wey be say that time sef dem dey pay this money, dem no ever think say one day the man wey dey collect 18,000 he go collect 38,000, he go collect 50,000, dem go dey increase am. Wetin we get that time na say money dey come, we go dey pay them this 18,000 even though some states no even still fulfill that 18,000.
I was going to say that. Say they don't want to pay upon the money they collect. They still don't want to pay that particular amount.
Now, in trying to hold your argument, you come at contact say, when they share revenue, some states collect 500 million, some states collect 400 million, some states collect 55 million. But what would they talk? We say, Nkubi, you yourself know, say, for 1999, 16 years ago, when we returned to democratic rule, can they move this country forward? Person when they earn 18,000 naira, when get family, he go still dey struggle. And in 2015, people see they earn 18,000 naira. And we dey talk of reducing them. How is that possible? And what do they talk? Say our governors they must begin to look inwards. Not be begin to. Then suppose done because we don't dey talk these things since. Time don't need for us to come and say we don't dey look inwards. See what we don't dey do. See how much we don't dey generate. Not be say
but Chukwudi, I never want to use the word say an act of probably laziness. But then somehow just like say okay, if you remember what total that over reliance of say we get oil, and for that reason say oil no they do it don't go feel dry. Not putting in mind say okay, say people when they buy this oil say and what if probably tomorrow reach they say okay we know they buy oil again, say okay we don't buy enough, maybe we go buy from another country. These are things we ought to have put in place. Okay, right now apart from that, before Nigeria even reach this level, before the issue of oil be there, we get things we will get in place. We get the groundnut pyramid, we get farming was more like a very strong tool for us. We get the coal mining stuff where they do say. We get steel business, a lot of businesses where they on ground before all this while. But you just be like say we just totally say okay, oil done day, make we do it, make we leave those ones aside and enter into another one. But make we collect this call from Oga Joseph before I will continue this talk. Oga Joseph, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Nkubi and Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning,
Oga Joseph. We greet you.
I like on our show too much.
Thank you.
What I hear well.
Yeah.
May God bless honor.
Thank you.
And I see, wetin dey worry that country wey they call Nigeria, wey make many people run.
The country na your country, oh.
Begin come like this kind.
Oga Joseph.
Yeah.
The country na your country too, oh.
Hello.
I said Nigeria na your country too.
Now my country.
So refer them as Nigeria, our country.
Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen for that our country?
Better.
He plenty pass human being. You understand? Then they talk of 18,000 wey no reach money for 2 bottles of beer. Now then they pay human being for 1 month and they still want cut am. The people wey the National Assembly, they don't know how much they take per month. No be human being born them. No be the same school where they go. You go see some lawyers now where they like constable for police for Nigeria. They don't get any this thing. Those constables, they more qualified than those where the National Assembly. Because of what he said they get Godfather. Now they stay there. I beg, make on a talk how that country go front. Nigeria go see the talk of oil at this age where we did with 170 million people. For Germany here, they don't think of all those kind of things. We're supposed to improve our rail station where they say they go employ many people to they work all those areas. They say unemployment. Nigeria have many avenues to create employment. But those the people where they thief, where they up, they don't want to do anything. They don't want to do anything at all. That country needs to give somebody where they say, in don't suffer overseas, know the in and out. How then they take build economy. As far as that Nigeria they concerned, all those people where they are from A to Z, all of them are thief. They are not working for the country. They are working for their pockets. Thank you.
Okay, Joseph from Germany, thank you very, very much. Very strong words that you use because you dey passionate and it's in the pain you. But we always talk and say, if we dey provide solutions to the problem when they happen for inside our Nigeria, say na jete. That is, make we dey take am small, make it not too strong. We appreciate the fact say you don't talk your own and the thing really touch your body. Oga Bobby, they call us back again because we know say when Oga Bobby drop one, he always they drop two. Oga Bobby, welcome back to AS E DEY HOT.
I won't drop this, and at 20 cents I drop that, and at 50 cents I won't drop
that.
Okay, right on.
Hear you.
The thing be saying, what my own to this second one I call be say I want ask our senators and those of the when they
members, yeah.
When they travel, they go this abroad. Yeah, they come abroad, they go America, they go any other places. Then they see.
As government,
they need to ask the government when they're in the system for that side. Say, how now they do when they say this thing they work out for now. You understand me? Then they ask them. You they get my point. You they go there for visit like those when they run they go that side for treatments. Then they ask them how now they operate the system when we say all the citizens they enjoy these fine things one are they do for year. Then they ask those questions. The road where they drive past, where they themselves they go come, the airport where they go land, all those things. Then they ask them. They don't want me. They are in Nigeria enjoy those kind of things. Because if you think I don't think they have our interest in mind. They don't have them at all. Because me as a day or so, the road, like my street, they all repair them of recently. Even as I talk to you now, they paint my entire street, the houses, the windows for the house, the doors, the owner of the buildings, they paint them because every 5 years, a bit to 2 years, they touch all those things. That means they don't rust. You say as will not work that they create with that. For the citizens.
True.
So those are small things them. Infrastructure, other kind of things, not job. Nigeria, what would be the problem of those people when they office? If you reach the office, something they enter their head, it called they change them. Because there's a question where we need to ask them.
Oga Bobby,
because something is wrong.
No, we understand. Oga Bobby, we they feel your passion here. We also know say, and going by wetin you they see for that place, and going by the fact say the way then they run their own government for that side, say we know they even see a reflection of them that same system here. And apart from that, say a lot of our leaders they come out from here. They go say they won't go see leaders of these other countries. At least they go see them for reasons. They go see them for at least for partnership.
Exactly.
And then go here. They will give them treats. They will put them for places. They will drive through their roads, land for their airports, and all these things. And at least they will not take. I see all these things. But the issue now can be why they don't feel come back here, can recreate what they see for that place.
Exactly.
Even some of them don't live there for some time before they even come here. Or you understand? Why don't you can recreate that thing? Yes, so at least Nigerians go feel they benefit from it. So back to what they talk about. Say yes, the issue of diversification and all that. Okay. I mean, for me, I just try to imagine. Say, why is it dawning on our leaders right now? Say, okay, time don't reach for us to do it to at least change ground. Since all they pay money again. And then oil, okay. So it means say if oil still they pay, we will just say, okay, oil they pay, make we do it, make we come out totally rely on that. Without at least creating ground or maybe like a second plan, a second master plan. So, okay, in case this oil eventually go like this, see what we will take hold ground. See what we will take hold ourselves, say yes, we will generate money from here. You understand? That was why I said just somehow you're not out of laziness or out of say, okay, then they see money money they come in from that particular sector.
Very true.
And for that reason, make we just rely on that one.
Very
you understand? True. If you look every state, I want to say, I don't talk on here now. Every state gets one potential. It will only take you small money to say, make we find what we get for here.
Or what we just need now, enabling environment to allow investors to come in. Then we go put laws in place. We go allow them behave themselves inside our
protect
country.
them and also protect us when they come. So you understand? And look into your state. You go see something, we go generate money for you.
Exactly.
We get natural resources everywhere, but you've not taken your time. Maybe you never taken the time to discover them. Tourism, there are a lot of things there in place. Where we say, if we take generate money, but then we just totally rise, okay, oil they come. And another funny thing we say, we don't talk about diversification for so long ago. True. Maybe even today we start to talk about that. Diversification for the amount of everybody.
And we never start.
We never even take one step. So, okay, what do we make we do? Or how far will we go? True. Now just they keep recycling on that same talk. We will. We need to. Until gradually now come up from government. And that person will come. Now still continue on that same recycling ground. True. They talk without going into action. I mean.
It is somehow. But as Nigerians, we go to talk and say, government, when they sincere, and when talk say, they go do their best to ensure, say, the country people, they receive better enjoyment. We go give them all our support. It is very, very important as Nigerians say, make we no talk say, I don't tire. If one kind power no come from heaven to come help us, we no fit help ourselves. What we supposed to do now to join our hands together as one people, they talk with one voice so that government go hear us and they go do the right thing. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it concern other stories when we discuss this week. This one will come out today. Now the one we say touch plenty people. Sake of say a lot of Nigerians know they're happy with that kind of situation. No go anywhere. Now still AS E DEY HOT.
Yes, welcome back. The program now AS E DEY HOT, and we will give now their staple edition. That is today will be Friday. We will give now all the information of which we will talk from Monday reach Thursday. Quickly, we talk about unemployment matter. That is the immigration matter. We also talk about the missing $2.1 billion dollars we concern Oga Dasuki and some other people they don't accuse. We also look into waiting the big way the Senate they try pass say anybody will talk anyhow we concern them. They will do it. They will need to go serve jail time. And some other stories we will talk about, we will also look into. Now, we will talk about. And our full line still very open for that to do it. For that to call and also chook on our own mouth inside this matter. So, Chukwudi, straight up, make we carry enter into, we don't look unemployment matter. Okay, like on Tuesday, we get this thing. So, two guests, we can talk about, we can give their own experience on what they go through for the immigration recruitment issue. And they we also bring the issue of say, okay, we will talk say we want drive profile solution to the issue of employment. Okay, we don't come give a particular set of people under the past government training, the right exam, and the end they don't pass the training. We can't select the best of the best. In the end, a new government can't come into place. Can't say okay, may now go sit down. After when we get na time, we go do it. So how then we want to define unemployment? When exactly. we know say this there are true say vacancies there for this position where they apply for in the first place. So it just be say okay, the issue of say monkey hand don't come in, the issue of say I want bring in my own person, without putting in the appropriate person who really fit into that position. I mean, this is an issue of unemployment, and that's why I also said one part of the issue we'll talk about before now. Say diversification will also they create job. By the time we bring everything together, job go day waiting, job go day everywhere.
Exactly.
You understand? Job go day everywhere, and people go feel see, okay, we still work. We work there available for me to work. This other sector don't map out job opportunities. Make I do it, make I also go try myself there and all that. So I mean, it's just that I don't know. We just sit down. We sit down, just they wait and they look forward to how government want to solve this issue without even probably defining to us the better way of saying they want to find solution to them. Exactly. So, I mean, it calls for serious...
It's a very, very serious issue. And as an update to follow up of what happened here on Tuesday when we say Oga Precious and Oga Aziz come inside studio to follow us discuss the issue of unemployment first as young Nigerians and two as people when participate for process when we say a lot of people talk say the thing they fair but government can't talk say okay we want chook eye inside this thing say the thing they clear nothing they wrong in government looking at a situation to see whether it they clear but when we no can't get any official position on arm it can't be like say these people we leave them hanging you know get information when they give to them that they a problem they and remember like you take talk you advertise say you want this particular you want people who go fill for this position plenty people come you can't shortlist you can't get the best of the very best now physically these people they qualify because they check their height they check their body mass they check their
even write
their
exam
health and everything
yes
now this you get over 2,000 Nigerians when we say for a particular period you put them for training can't give them firearms make them they train with. Now because of say you can't talk say okay you won't find out this thing you don't tell them make them go out. We must understand say we get strong Nigerians when we say don't they exposed to the use of firearms from the very best of people when sabi this thing and so on a very major problem. But as a follow-up to, after them come here discuss, we can't get information, say, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Yakubu Dogara, don't agree, say, okay, we go meet with representatives from the Nigerian immigration recruitment exercise when happen for this year. And this one pointed to the fact, say, government, they watch, government, they listen, and then they take action. So everybody when they inside Nigeria or outside Nigeria, if you're passionate about this country, you must continue to talk because whether you like them or not, as we they talk the thing as they ought, those when the matter concern and they hear and then they take the necessary action so that we go move this our country forward. That's one that the latest update as we get to do. We will continue to inform people as the meeting take go with the Speaker of the House of Representatives and waiting our government them talk. Nkubi, we need to discuss this $2.1 billion US dollars.
Well, the issue it complicating because a lot of people they don't. That is the job. Like say, as the rope they go and the rope they drags, a lot of other people come. The latest person where he also drag now the former governor of Sokoto State. That is Oga Atahiru Bafarawa. But though he also don't come and talk say in one hand they claim from this matter. Say he no they involved for anything about the $2.1 billion dollar. But the investigation still dey very much on, and we don't for those of them where they don't question, we don't hear their own report from them, like the chairman of that communication will talk say he collect the money for a particular purpose, and right about now the sort also extend to the likes of Bode George, that is Oga Odili and a few other people from one of the newspapers where we see now still the same questioning. The job like say they expand, the investigation they expand. And as they expand, we they try know who get hand into this inside this $2.1 billion arm matter, and to also know how that money eventually take waka. If they put them for their pocket, if they eventually say okay, they take and do what they're supposed to do. The story will still follow, and we'll know the outcome as they go.
Well, Nkubi, the way when this matter they now, it is very certain say money they miss.
Whether they very clear, say money
whether we
miss.
peg them at $2.1 billion, it is very certain say money they miss. Now, it get major problem when they here. The major problem now say the money supposed to be for the procurement of firearms. When we say our soldier people them
suppose use
to take tackle Boko Haram Jaguda people, but it can't be like say from information when they come out from different sources say certain people now them benefit from them and not directly our military people we're supposed to benefit from them. And if you look this issue where the thing they very very complex because at some point we get gallant officers, gallant troops when we say they accuse them say okay their behavior no good based on the law when they follow. But these people don't come and talk say if we don't swear to defend the territorial integrity of our nation and we don't put our life on the line and you when we say you suppose ginger us, una no ginger us. Now if we say una owe us something, like you talk, Nigerians they watch, they see where this case they go. It go dey very very important. Make we as Nigerians, if we look this issue, make we come out religion, make we come out political party, make we come out hey now my brother, now my sister. As Nigerians, make all of us look this issue because at the end of the day, we don't get any other country. Now only this country we get, and if things better for this country, it don't better for all of us. betterness no dey ask say which state you come from, which party you vote for, who you dey support before better go come. If the country better, it go better for all of us.
You see, Chukwudi, as we dey talk now, you know like him.
Exactly, because of say you dey always dey want dey jump. You dey always dey want dey jump.
No, I never for once jumped.
You dey jump. You dey jump. If the man of the people here, they speak for the people. They talk the truth. The man from the outside go on. They come on. You see as
you see now one of those.
See as you dey happy.
Now one of those things make me vex where you dey. The man from the outside from here. If you be the man of the people, as a matter of fact, you try to say you be the man of the people and you be the man of Nigeria. Okay, me will be the man from the outside. Where I come from? I not be Nigerian, or I'm the speak for the people. What is the meaning of that? Is it why the kind of words that they pick out, they make me vex where you did?
Oh yeah, sorry, no vex.
No, you don't say I'm already Nigerian, don't hear you already. So why not go vex?
Oh yeah, sorry, no vex.
I don't vex already. The times me I don't vex.
I don't beg you 2 times. What I go kill goat, use and do pepper soup for you. I say make you no vex. You say this thing.
Chukwudi.
Okay, vex now. Oh yeah, vex.
As a matter of my tradition, give that room for person to kill goats to at least apologize. That goat, by force by fire, you go buy him.
If I spell this thing out, call am a fool. O-S-H-I. Igbo language for wetin? Your tradition say make person kill goat for you. So if all the verse where you dey always the verse because people Nigerians they talk true, Oga Bobby talk true, Oga Igbo talk true, Oga Joseph talk true.
Me talk like.
All of us go kill goat.
I no talk. No. Me wey talk true. I no talk true, abi.
Nkubi make we address the final one. Make we begin to go. This law about anyhow talk. Because he go follow for the thing when he put you for here.
No, they ever not like what is the meaning of that one? I don't feel find myself in that shoe. Why? What is the meaning of that?
Okay.
Back to the issue of anyhow talk.
It's very good. Make it be say any position when government they take, make we see official stand. Now confusion plenty because the first statement when enter public eye. Now the one when we say Ogabala Ibn na Allah na in carry go. People come they bring out different information. Now until Oga Bank submission come and contact say no be like this thing there. Now like this idea now he can explain now. But with all the talk and say everybody get right to express themselves. But make we no abuse them. Say you want they use because of say you dey control media or you get people wey you fit talk, they insult people, e no dey good. Make all of us dey talk, but make we dey objective in our criticism, whether you like am or not. If you dey occupy position wey be say no be you enter there by yourself, na our vote carry you land there.
You owe the people explanation.
We go dey ask you must dey answer, and you go continue to dey talk.
Yes.
But limitation dey make people no abuse the freedom of expression when they get.
Now, it make people not abuse the freedom of information where they get because as they don't talk, yes, make no just be like say we they do pass ourselves and they call they find us guilty say okay, don't miss yan. That one still no go stop us from not saying things the way we say they're authentic for us to say. It is only when we see we go talk, and when we talk, at least our leaders go feed you, they will feed hear us. But once you start to carry information where they force, where we say information where we say you don't even exist at all, when they throw them around. And at that time, this kind of law, if it by you, you understand? And we no go want that kind, we no go want that kind of law to buy any person, any Nigerian, because all of us collectively will be one, and we need to stand collectively as one, and also at least speak out for ourselves and speak out for Nigeria.
Exactly.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Our people when they for us, when they talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Una know say AS E DEY HOT na the only democracy when they on top of television. Sake of say all the talk when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria, we go talk am so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. Until we come back on Monday with all of the action to the way happen for weekend, we go lock our shop, carry our key, go. Una bye. Wear your cap now.
Wear your
cap.
Wear your cap.
You go wear your cap.
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.